Many times our people get confused because their work is split across way too many different apps. We really need one main place to keep everything straight, and ClickUp is doing a great job showing how it fixes project chaos. With their new 4.0 version, they made a smart workspace that puts your tasks, notes, and daily chat into one single home. So let's talk about how you can actually make ClickUp work for you and manage your projects fluently. In the past, whenever we wanted to use custom metadata fields, we had to attach them to entire lists or specific folder locations. Now, with the updated custom field functionality in ClickUp 4.0, we can attach custom fields directly to specific task types instead of just locations. Whenever we create a brand new task, it automatically populates with its own unique, highly relevant set of fields based on what kind of task it is. For example, if we are tracking a software bug, it will automatically show fields for reproducibility or browser versions. If we change that task type to a marketing campaign or a client account, the system instantly switches off the irrelevant fields and loads the correct ones. Even when we add nested subtasks underneath a parent item, those unique custom fields stay put and remain completely unaffected unless they share the exact same task type. From this single dashboard, we have complete control over whether our fields are tied to geographic folder locations or behavioral task types. The direct benefit for our teams is a much cleaner, smarter workspace where diverse tasks like accounts, bugs, and product launches live in perfect harmony. No fields spill over into places they do not belong, ensuring that everyone on our team only sees the precise information needed to get the job done. Another common hurdle we frequently deal with is keeping our high-level projects cleanly structured without running out of structural layers. Thankfully, ClickUp has resolved this limitation by introducing a deeply requested structural feature, which is the addition of subfolders. Instead of having dozens of historical or future sprints cluttering up the main sidebar, we can neatly organize every single sprint right inside its specific parent project folder. Each subfolder we build comes fully equipped with all the essential platform features we rely on daily. They inherit permissions from the parent folder automatically, or we can choose to set highly customized permissions, statuses, and custom fields right at the subfolder level. Furthermore, we can set up custom automations that trigger exclusively within a specific subfolder. Navigating through these deep layers remains incredibly seamless because the platform utilizes clear breadcrumb pathways at the top of the screen alongside a highly responsive sidebar. If we already have an established workspace and want to clean it up, we can easily drag and drop our existing standard folders to instantly convert them into subfolders. Because this entire hierarchy functions exactly the same way on the mobile application, our project structures remain completely flawless and aligned no matter where our team members are working from. This brings us directly to the all-new Teams Hub feature inside ClickUp 4.0. Instead of guessing how busy our people are or wondering if we have the right personnel assigned to the right tasks, this hub brings analytics, priorities, and real-time capacity into one screen. When we open up the main team overview, we get instant visibility into what every single person is actively working on at that exact moment. By tapping into these work analytics, we can quickly assess the overall workload balance to see who has open bandwidth to take on more assignments and who is facing a heavy backlog that might lead to severe burnout. Managing priorities for the entire workforce becomes incredibly simple because we can reassign and adjust critical paths from this central interface. Additionally, the platform includes built-in AI-powered stand-up updates that automatically compile team progress, keeping everyone in the loop without requiring long, repetitive check-in meetings. We also gain access to integrated timesheets that show us exactly how much of our team's effort is spent on billable client work versus internal tasks, revealing precisely how long projects take. Ultimately, utilizing the Teams Hub allows us to see true capacity, make highly informed staffing calls, and confidently take on new business at the right time. In addition to managing team capacity, we must also ensure that our daily schedules and meetings are closely aligned with our operational goals. To handle this, we can utilize the deeply upgraded Planner tool, which takes our calendar management to a completely different level. One of the most valuable aspects of this planner is its ability to combine availability from meetings while deploying an intelligent AI note-taker. Whenever we host a meeting, this AI assistant joins automatically to capture every word, generating highly accurate summaries, action items, and task assignments without anyone needing to take notes manually. However, the real standout for daily productivity is how the planner lets us schedule dedicated time for our most critical tasks with a single click. We can block off time for focused work manually by dragging tasks onto the calendar, or we can simply click the Auto Schedule button to let the system generate a perfectly planned day based on our deadlines. ClickUp provides some highly specialized free project planning templates that plug directly into our tasks, timelines, dashboards, and automations. If we need a single, clear starting point for an enterprise initiative, we can deploy the standard project planning template to manage scope, schedules, budgets, and resources as a shared source of truth. When we're managing external clients, we can use the consulting project plan template, which creates a clean list view that we can invite clients to view as guests, completely eliminating the need for constant status updates. For cross-departmental initiatives, the cross-functional project plan template connects workflows across marketing, product, and ops, tracking owners, approvers, and blockers in one clear view. If we work in highly regulated spaces like finance or legal, the compliance project plan template tracks strict regulatory requirements and catches non-compliance issues early. We can also utilize the Event Project Plan template, which features custom task statuses, 7 built-in automations, and a map view to handle chaotic product launches or meetups. When tackling multi-layered digital projects, the Website Project Plan template organizes copy, design, development, and quality assurance to keep teams confident about launch goals. For technical rollouts, the Technology Project Plan template maps out the exact analyze, design, implement, and monitor workflow. Before a project even begins, we can use the Planning Document template to capture goals, break tasks into chunks, and align stakeholders early. To ensure deliverables are hit, the Project Deliverables template tracks exactly who owns each piece and when it's due. So ClickUp 4.0 provides a deeply converged workspace that successfully eliminates tool sprawl and maximizes business efficiency. By masterfully utilizing custom task fields, subfolders, the Teams Hub, and automated planner tools, we can save hours of administrative work every single week. If you're ready to run your business projects with complete clarity and absolutely zero chaos, check out the description below to sign up for free. Share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.